Hey, Miss Smith. I just wanted to touch base with you. Emily was baiting seagulls into the playground with gummy worms today. Oh my gosh, is she okay? Oh, she's completely fine. She did catch one in her arms, and it did bite her, but not hard. Like, she's completely fine. Okay, good. Yeah, she did decide to purposefully squeeze it hard. The bird's gone. We did file an incident report for the whole thing, and I just wanted to keep you updated. Oh, well, thank you. Before you go, do you have any child psychiatrists you might recommend? Yeah, I got that list for you right here. Yeah, I'll take that, thanks.